I'm fine.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, before I start our presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Wulandari, and my partner.
My name is shofiatun.
Now we want to talk about job of accounting. Accounting is the process of interpreting, analyzing, and describing economic activity. And the field of accounting, there are four main areas. There are managerial accounting, financial accounting, tax accounting, and auditing. And now, in this opportunity, we want to talk about financial accounting and managerial accounting. And for the first, Miss Alice will explain what financial accounting.
Okay, thank you. Hi guys.
Hi.
The first is financial accounting. Do you know financial accounting?
No.
Yes. I won't tell you. Financial accounting is the branch of accounting that prepare financial report used by managers and outsiders. Financial accounting is the process of preparing financial statements that companies use to show their financial performance and position to people outside the company, including to investors, creditors, suppliers, and customers, and also preparing detailed report and forecast for managers inside the company. Financial accounting refers to the bookkeeping of the financial transaction by classifying, analyzing, summarizing, and recording financial transactions like purchase, sales, receivables, and payables. And finally, preparing the financial statement, which includes income statements, balance sheet, stockholder equity, and cash flow statement. Income statement. The income statement reports a company's profitability during a specific period of time. The period of time could be 1 year, 1 month, 3 months, or any other time interval chosen by the company. The main components of the income statement are revenues, expenses, gains, and losses. 2. Balance sheet. The balance sheet is organized into 3 parts. The first, asset, second, liabilities, and third, stockholder equity at a specific date. Typically, this date is the last day of an accounting period. The first section of the balance sheet reports the company assets and includes such things as cash, account receivable, inventory, prepaid insurance, building, and equipment. The next section reports the company's liabilities, and the final section is stockholder equity. Stockholders' equity statement. The stockholders' equity statement is the change in stockholders' equity for the same period as the income statement and the cash flow statement. Cash flow statement. The cash flow statement explains the change in a company's cash and cash equivalent during the time interval indicated in the heading of the statement. The change is divided into 3 parts. The first, operating activities, second, investing activities, and third, financing activities. The operating activity section explains how a company's cash and cash equivalent have changed due to operation. Investing activities, to amounts spent or received in transactions involving long-term assets. The financing activities report such things as cash received through the issuance of long-term debt, the issuance of stock, or money spent to retire long-term liabilities. Okay, the next, please, Miss Wulan.
Okay, I'll continue about managerial accounting. What's that? the process of identifying, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating information to help manager to make a decision about the achieve of business goal. Managerial accounting utilize a wide of technical skill and analyze technique to create an accurate financial statement and to forecast future expenses and to identify the cost or cost saving opportunities. According to the Association of International Certified Professional Accountants, individuals in this role are responsible for the following duties such as evaluating and managing financial risk, and then forecasting and modeling cash flows, and then giving advice to leaders about mergers and acquisitions, and the last is conducting cost and margin analysis. What are managerial accounting reports? There are some reports in the managerial accounting such as account receivable aging reports, and then performance reports, and the last is cost managerial report. Talking about account receivable aging report, this report breaks down the remaining of balances of the client into specified time period, allows manager to identify the debtors and identify the issues that happen in company collection process. And then talk about performance report. The performance of a whole company, its department, and each employee are considered at the end of the term with performance report. This report used to make an important decisions about the company's future. Underperformers are sometimes let go, and individuals who achieve or overachieve their goals are rewarded for their commitment to the business. And the last cost managerial accounting report. Managerial accounting determines the cost of articles that are manufactured. All raw material costs, overhead, labor, and edit costs are considered, and the totals are divided with the amount of product produced. And there are other managerial accounting reports. Other managerial reports that are vital to every business include other information reports, project reports, competitor analysis, and many other similar reports. Okay, everybody. I think that's all our presentation. If you have questions, you can raise your hand and ask to ask.
Anyone who can ask to the group?
Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, if you don't have any question,